In this video tutorial, we're going to cover how to create a QR code. So a QR code stands for Quick Response Code, and it's essentially a barcode that you can scan with a mobile device such as a smartphone to be able to pull up different websites, links, videos, and more. So this can become incredibly useful in different projects that you're doing or ways to share information quickly and easily with other students or teachers. So we're going to start with the first two ways that we're going to show you here today is by using a QR code generator. So this one is qrcodegenerator.com, and all you're going to do is you'll need a link, and that's pretty much it. So in this case, we're going to create a QR code that links to this video. So we're simply going to copy the URL of that video link, and then we're going to paste that link here. So as soon as we pasted that, you'll notice that our QR code has been generated right here. There are other types of information that you can turn into QR codes, and those are listed here as well. So now that we've got our link to our material that we're creating the QR code for, this QR code has been generated, but we can add some additional customizations using this particular tool. So we can add a frame to the QR code. So sometimes if people aren't familiar with what a QR code is and how it works, it's useful to have a frame like this that informs people to scan it. So that's the frame option. We can also update the color. Black is always a good go-to because it's really easy to distinguish on different backgrounds, and the contrast is really high when it's on a white background. So for now, we'll just leave it as black, but you can customize the color of your QR code with certain tools. And if you are looking to add some type of logo or branding to your QR code, you can do that using the logo section on this particular tool. So now that you have your QR code, you're going to download the JPEG of that QR code. So all you need to do is click this button here, and that code is being generated. Once the code has been generated, it will download to your device, likely in your downloads folder, and it'll also show up if you're using Chrome in the bottom left-hand corner to show that that has been downloaded. So that is how you can generate a QR code using one of the many QR code generators available on the internet. If you've seen our Canva video, we'll walk through how to create a QR code with Canva. So this is Canva. It's a digital design software that you can utilize to create different print materials, digital materials, videos, and so much more. So if you have a Canva account, you can go ahead and log in, and then from there you can click Create a Design. And we'll just start with custom size, and we'll do 500 pixels by 500 pixels. And that will open a new tab where we can then start creating our QR code. So once you're in your design, you're going to scroll down on the left toolbar and click More. From there, under Apps and Integrations, you'll click the QR code tile. From there, you're just going to copy and paste your link in, just like what we did with the generator, and click Generate Code. And so that is a way that we can quickly and easily generate a QR code in Canva. That becomes incredibly useful if you're already working in Canva by creating an infographic, poster, video, and so many more design options there. So I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to check out the other videos in our STEMFuse short tutorial series on different digital tools.